Yeah, because when the Arabs were here, killing people, the people were running away, leaving behind the children. And what was picking them, nurturing them, we have a very big cave there, nurturing those children. Put in mind that when these people finished people from here, because it was house arrest, not to move anywhere, cannot fight these people because it was having wars and house arrest. Now for Patiko, when you see that's the royal palace of Patiko, there we have a royal drum. We have a royal drum with a head or a skull of a person. That's why we are somehow, you said, why don't you speak like Patiko person? Or why don't you behave like somebody who come from Patiko, or you eat like somebody who come from Patiko? It's not a real eating, but for us we hide you with information. We talk in parables. We want to not to understand easily. That's how we do it. That's why even that drum, the warriors were coming in, disturbing. That's why we talk of water witch. We used to fought the British because the warriors were coming in to disturb people from this side, and that warriors was killed because it was sign of victory to the people of Patiko. That's why when you are coming from Gulu city, when you finish the tarmac road, you are coming to the Maram road. There's names of all these places. All these are names of wars. Because when you are coming from Bongatira, there's Alice Lakwena's place also is that side. When you cross the bridge, that's a parallel. When you're defeated, that means you have to run away. There's another place also said Chope. That means there's no men. All men went for war. Only women were left. From the warriors they came in and they found only women, but strong-hearted, brave women stood up. That for us, we have seen we don't have women, we are men here. That's why you are bragging, you kill all of us. That's why the name of the place came. That's why when Becca came in here, he found that system was like that where the people supported him to fight these Arabs with bows and arrows. And he defeated them. That's why the place is Sasimo Becca's for they fight, the place become a military base. We restore peace to the people of this place. But all these structures here was constructed by the Arabs with all these stones, with mud without cement. This cement was put just to preserve it, to hold it firm. And these people were using nature. Because we have the prison, women prison is down there. And also we have the main prison is the other side. The execution point where they're beheading people with acid. Now this is the prison walk. They were squeezing women down there. They push them down. In the morning you're taken for judgment. Now from there they need beautiful girls now. The handsome one were taken, the strong one. If you are weak, you are disabled, you are elderly, you are executed. Or you are taken there, the other side. Yeah, in the moon they just squeeze you there. In the moon, if you can die also from here is well and good for them. Yeah. That's how they were treating the Africans from here. These are the Karatumas from Sudan. Yeah. And if you fail, they take you for the firing squad to the other side. They shoot you, but they don't want to waste their bullets. Yeah. And also here, we have, when you see the other hill, we see that one there. That is Amoro. The Guru Guru Hill, the 1911 Lamoguru Rebellion, up and the other side. But the main prison is the other side. Going down. But people fear this side at night. Because no people believe where people are killed, many, yeah, the spirits. The main prison is down there. It's called Kitchen Rock.
So they would push the men there.
There, and at the corner there, they were cooking using firewood. The heat from the other side and the smoke would get you from. If you can also die from there, good for them. But this is the boundary. We talk with the ramparts of boulders. It was a wall. This stone was put up to that level of the rock to divide this place into two: administration and the judiciary part of the place. Now this is where they were slaughtering people.
They put you on that thing.
Yeah, they put to lie down and just cut off your head off. And they roll the bodies down. Hyena was a free food for hyenas because they were still here grazing. That's why you see all these trees are indigenous trees. We are trying to sensitize the community to cut them. Because others are medicinal. We talk over even now we have given one side to Gulu University as a botanical garden. Because we have